If you've got a faulty shower door runner and you don't know the make and model of it, it can be a nightmare to replace. We've got the answer for you with the Uni Wheel Shower Door Runner. So what is the Uni Wheel? The Uni Wheel is a universal shower door runner made from stainless steel and is a polished chrome finish. Most of the runners on the market are plastic, which is why they break. The Uni Wheel will adjust to fit over 90% of the shower doors on the UK market. The thing to bear in mind with the Uni Wheel is the existing runner simply needs to clamp through the glass and the wheels of the runner need to sit in the channel. If this is the case, the Uni Wheel will work, as the majority of shower enclosures do. Step 1, simply remove the old runner from the shower enclosure. Once you've done this, simply clean the glass to prepare it for the new Uni Wheel. Step 2, before we offer up the Uni Wheel to the glass, we need to remove the chrome nut. So we remove the chrome nut and leave the grub screw in the nut in the body of the fitting. We can then offer up the Uni Wheel to lip over the glass edge and pass the grub screw through the hole in the glass, making sure that we still have the black rubber washer sleeving the metal through the glass. This is really important. Once in position, we can then tighten up the grub screw with the enclosed Allen key. Step 3, we simply then tighten the chrome nut back onto the grub screw, which will then hold the Uni Wheel into position on the enclosure. Step 4, we simply adjust the wheel height on the Uni Wheels by using a Phillips screwdriver in the screw thread. When turning the screw thread, the wheels will move up and down the fitting. Once they're in the right position, you can securely sit the wheels into the track. It's also worth mentioning that we have 3 different sizes of wheels in the pack, so that if the wheels on your runner are an odd size, you can change them to suit and match what you've already got. We also have an extra long grub screw in the pack in case it's a thicker glass. It's a truly universal product. So if this product is of interest to you, simply click the link below to find your local stockists. Thanks for watching.